everyone, Amanda here. So I'm just coming to share a swap that I've received from my lovely friend Kay. I'll leave a link in the description box below to her channel, and we do crafty swaps so that we don't go bonkers and shout at fruit in Asda. And she's really helped me through lockdown to just keep crafting, keep motivated, and yeah, just swap. So I'll show you what she sent me. I did a video the other day showing some of the ephemera that I'm going to send her. I haven't finished my package because there's just a few more bits that I want to make, but I'll put what I've made for her as the suggested video at the end of this one. Don't forget, click like, subscribe, share, help spread the word around that I'm back doing my crafting, so that people will come on over and watch. So these are lovely. These, so Kay sent me, so what we said was that we'd make just packages of ephemera for each other to go in our journals, because we both love junk journals. So this is what Kay sent me. She sent me these, which are, they're like tea bags. If you want to put loose tea in, you can buy these. And lots of ladies do alter these. So she sent me loads of those, so best get using them, aren't I? They feel really soft, and you can use them as tuck spots. You can decorate them, you can do what you like with them, I suppose. So we'll see what we can do with those. And then look, she's made this lovely ephemera folder for me to hold what she's made. I've had a sneak peek already. And this is lovely. What a lovely way to present some little handmade goodies. So she's made me some gigantic paper clips here with ephemera on. So you put these on the you know, the pages of your journals, or you could put them on a tag or whatever you want. And these are really lovely. So yeah, that's really nice. We've got like some vellum type stuff there. Don't know if it's a sticker. And just like little clusters of things. That's really lovely, that Kay. Really like that. She's good at this kind of thing. And she's kept them quite flat as well. I do like them when they're a bit flatter. I don't like things too bulky in my journals. There's another one. We've got this like burlap at the back, and some butterflies and pearls, and a really lovely. There's another. So these are, the reason that I like sharing the swaps is because it gives you ideas as well of what to do. So basically she's put card on the back, and then you put your paper clip on, and then you decorate the card, and they're like little decorations, little works of art to tuck in your journals. Okay, what we got here? Oh, these are pretty. So these are like little paper bags. That's lovely. Nice paper. Lovely. And it's like almost waxy, I suppose. Really pretty. So she's made some little bags with those, and then it looks like she's stuck some stickers on the front. I did see a video where she'd got like a kit from somewhere. I'm thinking these are from that kit. They're really lovely, those. They're like see-through flowers, so it looks like it's almost been decoupaged. So those are pretty, aren't they? I shall be saving those for my next vintage style journal. Nice. Lovely those. Thank you, Kay. Ooh, that's pretty. And then she's made this lovely tag. She makes lovely tags. Beautiful tag there. And we've got some die cuts on here, and then she's added some snippets, and then we've got stitching around there. I think she's done that by hand. That's clever. I like that idea, because I can't always be bothered threading my machine up in different colours, so I never thought of doing black stitching with a black pen. That's really clever. Then she's put eyelets in and some ribbon, and that's lovely. Nice sturdy card, that. That's lovely. I like that. Looks like this is this Artimaze paper? It looks like it. Because Kay does design teamwork for Artimaze as well. So she does use a lot of her stuff. There's another beautiful like vellum sticker there, and a butterfly. It's just fussy cut the feelers even. I don't do that, me. I chop them off. We've got another paper clip there. Lovely. I really like that. And then it looks like she's done heaps. I like this die cut here, this black floral. That's pretty. And we've got some lace and another pearl. Really lovely. So you could just use your die cuts, just bits and bobs, and look how cool it looks. And another one. Some little bits and bobs just stuck on. And it just comes together lovely. I like these goldy coloured ones. The ones I've got are silver. I like those. That one's really pretty with the flowers and then the vellum sticker there. That's really lovely. Those are lovely. I will definitely put those in. Next time I do like a vintage or floral or butterfly or, I don't know, it go in lots of different themes of journal, that. Oh, I like this. Yeah, with the tag there hanging out, that's clever. Yeah, she's put it over. I've got this. In fact, yeah, because you bought it from me. You bought it from me when I used to sell them. No, another lovely one. I'm just looking at all the bits. We've got this lovely flower here, and then the word hopeful. That's lovely. I really like that, and I love this little. So this as well, I could put in a journal. I'd put that maybe in the centre of a signature, and then put some. Oh yeah, probably in the centre of a signature, and then put some stuff in. That would be lovely, wouldn't it? So that'll all get used. What's in this one? She's spoiled me, hasn't she? Oh, she's done loads of these. So this is what am I going to get in a tangle? This is what I mean about decorating the tea bags. Oh, I've got in a tangle here. Hold on a minute. Let me just unravel me jewels, as it were. Oh no, what have I done? I've got in a right tangle. I can't do that on camera. So she's put I'll untie them later, don't worry. So she's put these lovely jewel dangles on the end of these cloth tea bags, and then what's in here? Oh, lovely, look at that. We've got these, I think these are Tim Holtz, these. I love the shape of that. So she's put a little tag in there, and then we've got lace on the outside. So that would go with vintage, it would go with a shabby chic theme. That's really pretty, I love that. And then we've got another one here. We've got all knotted up. I'll unknot it later when I get off camera, otherwise I'll be flustering. We've got another. It's going to make the light go funny with this purple paper because I'm in my coffee room in the dark and we've the ring light on. More of those lovely Tim Holtz people there. They're cool, aren't they? I wonder if they're real photos that is used, because they're bizarre, aren't they, if they're real. Just imagine thinking who they were and what they did. Lovely lace there. I've seen her use this before. And then we've got another one here with another. Oh, they're lovely, aren't they? They look like twins. Maybe they're not twins. Maybe they're just sisters. They're pretty. Look at her pretty shoes. Lovely. That's cute. I don't have any of these Tim Holtz people. I'm too tight to buy them because I think they're a bit expensive. It's alright, Kay sent me some, so I'm alright, don't need to buy any. And lovely layers of lace there. Look at that little baby. Oh, isn't he cute? Oh, that's cute. So that's that one. Get back in. Get back in there, mister. Okay, I will untangle all of these later, Kay. I'll be very careful. Probably if I just hang them like that, they'll untwine and they'll untangle themselves. What's this one? Ooh, look at that. How pretty is that? With the little... that's clever. So she's... I don't know. Have you made that or was it pre-made? I don't know. I'm trying to figure... I think she's made that. So she's just rolled round some paper to look like it's, you know, the flowers are in a bunch. And then she's put some lovely flowers in there and a little ribbon bow. We've got a butterfly. Don't know if it's a Martha Stewart or a Stampin' Up. And then we've got a lovely little dangle. Kay's really good at these, making dangles. I'm absolutely rubbish at, you know, the twisty bit at the top. I'm really bad. I'm really rubbish. I just kind of like whiz it round the best I can and squeeze it shut and hope nobody notices. That's lovely, and I love that heart as well. That's really pretty. I don't think I've got that, have I? Have I got that one? I don't know if I've got that one. I don't think I have. And then we've got another one here. Have we seen this one? I can't remember. Oh no, we've not seen him before. He's a very dapper young man, isn't he? So that's those. So there's some fantastic ideas for you there. And I will be using these. You'll see these in future journals. They'll go in my ephemera box. which Kay is nicely filling up for me. She's so much patience with me. She's an angel. She really is. She's an invaluable friend. So there you go. Follow the links below. Hop on over to Kay's channel. She does some lovely stuff. I'm going to say hello and tell her that Amanda from Yorkshire sent you. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you again soon. Bye.